Hey y'all, it's out there, hers managing broker over here at Arla Real Estate. And today I'm bringing you the real info you need to grow your real estate business the right way. If you don't know me personally, that's totally okay. Allow for me to introduce myself. My name is out there, hers. I've sold over $100 million in real estate. And yes, I still actively sell in today's market. I provide opportunities for my agents. And more importantly, I show them how to increase their business and scale it with structure. So if you're an agent already doing 3 to 7 million in volume, I want to talk to you because getting to 10 million isn't about doing more of everything. It's about doing the right things with intention. Say it with me, intention. So let's simplify it. You only really need 3 lead sources to cross that $10 million mark. And I'm about to break them down to you here right now because I use these strategies in my business. The first one is going to be your referral partnership. This is your highest converting, most low cost lead source. But let me say this, most agents are only tapping into past clients or family and friends, and that's just the surface. There's so many more people out there. You need to get intentional, build out your referral network. That means lenders, divorce attorneys, hairstylists, therapists, gym trainers, partners. Whoever is already talking to your ideal client, you need to talk to them as well. Okay. So it's not just about asking for business, it's about positioning yourself as the go-to expert, the celebrity in your market. When people think real estate, they should immediately think of you. The second one is going to be your inbound social media leads. Listen, I'm not talking about just listed graphics or just sold flyers. I'm talking about content that makes buyers and sellers want to DM you first. Okay. If you don't believe me, go look at my Instagram page. Okay. Feel free to check it out. It's at I am out there. Hers. I've built a following of over 50,000 people, not by chasing clout, that word, but by showing up consistently and authentically, showing the world exactly who I am. This is the same strategy that I teach my agents. We build content pillars that reflect you, your brand, your voice, okay? Because when you are clear in your content, you're confident, you're compelling, and the leads will begin to come into you. So we have a plug and play strategy for agents I work with, so they're never guessing what to post or even how to show up for themselves. Number three is going to be your personal database. I'm pretty sure you guys heard me talk about this before. You already know, I appreciate all the time, your database is your foundation, but most agents aren't using it the right way. Listen to me. You need pipelines, new leads, warm leads, warm nurtures, under contract, just closed, past clients. Everybody should be tracked. You should know who needs a search, who's ready to move, and also who's just watching. And I teach my agents how to set up those systems as well. What to send every week. You need to know exactly who are you talking to, okay? And what are you sending them? You also need to know how to follow up without seeming like a pushy salesperson. And you also need to know how to make sure your database is actually converting. You cannot grow a $10 million business if you don't know who you're serving. And if you're telling yourself you work with everyone, you work with nobody at all. So here's the truth. You don't need 10 funnels. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need the right 3 lead sources, the right system, and someone to help you keep it simple and scalable. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys. And if you're an agent who's already doing 3 million or more and you're thinking, hey, I need a fresh start, a new vision, a new level, then I want to personally invite you to come work with me. Okay, you guys, I am hiring growth minded agents who are ready to scale without the burnout, without the chaos, and also with real structure that supports them and their next level. So let's connect, let's talk about what this could look like for you, and then I'll make sure that we connect. So make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel, connect with me on social media, and I'll even drop a link for you to schedule a call. I look forward to seeing you all in the future, and I also look forward to seeing your business soar. See you guys in the next video. Hey y'all, it's out there, hers managing broker over here at Arla Real Estate. And today I'm bringing you the real info you need to grow your real estate business the right way. If you don't know me personally, that's totally okay. Allow for me to introduce myself. My name is out there, hers. I've sold over $100 million in real estate. And yes, I still actively sell in today's market. I provide opportunities for my agents. And more importantly, I show them how to increase their